Welcome to the video on how to create an assessment on an Atum LMS. In order to create an assessment, you need to click on create an assessment tab. Now we need to put the assessment name. I can change the start date and end date of assessment from here. I can go to the next. Now the assessment session has been created. Now I need to put the questions to the assessment. First of all, I'll select the multiple choice. I can put the text here. Capital of India. Now these are the options I have. I'll put Mumbai, Delhi, and I can add more options. Chennai, and Bangalore. I need to select the correct option here as selecting New Delhi as a correct option. Now that's how it has been saved. Now I'll add one more question. Now I'm picking up true false. Capital of India is New Delhi. I'll select the correct option is yes. That's how the question has been added. Similarly, I can select the match the following, fill in the blanks, and descriptive questions as per my requirement. And once I've created these questions, all I need to do is to assign it to the users. I can select the users one by one, or I can assign the users in a single go like this, and I'm assigning it to the users, and I click on the finish. Now you can see test assessment 5 has been created, which has been assigned to 7 users which I had added as a users for this assessment. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.